Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your grade 5 social studies teacher beta. Write today's date 21-12-2020. Subject social studies grade 5 block 15 motion of the earth. Today we are going to do our classworks children. You know how to write your classworks? You should draw double margin and underline it with color pencil. Now take out your readers beta. Let us take the questions first. See children, block 15 motion of the earth, keywords. Then you should write your glossaries. Then you should write your true or false. It is there in our reader. Let us show me first. See, true or false. The earth revolves on its axis. True. Second one, the earth rotates from west to east. False. The earth revolves from east to west. False. Next, the northern and southern hemisphere experience summer at the same times. False. These are the questions you should tick in your book children first. Cut second one and write first one. Cut third one and write second one. Cut fourth one and write third one. Cut fifth one and write fourth one. Cut sixth one and write fifth one. Cut seventh one and write sixth one. Cut eighth one and write seventh one. Okay children? Now beta, write first question. What do you understand by the axis of the earth? It is there in your reader, no? See here, first question. What do you understand by the axis of the earth? First one. See your answer. It is there in your reader, page number 94. It is there in your reader, page number 94. Sorry. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. The earth rotates on its axis. This answer is here. Page number 94. Page number 94. The earth is imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. Okay children? Second point you write here. The earth rotates on its axis. Second question, what is an orbit? It is there in page number 95. What is an orbit? See here answer. The path on which the earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. Okay children? See here. Page number 95. The path on which the earth revolves around the sun is called an orbit. See your second answer. The path on which the earth revolves around the sun is called an orbit. It is very clear children. Okay, I have written page numbers here. Next. What do you understand by the revolution of the earth? Okay, it is also there in your reader, page number 95. Let us see here first. The earth also moves around the sun besides rotating on its axis. This type of movement is called the revolution of the earth. Since the earth takes about a year to complete one rotation around the sun, this is called the annual motion of the earth. See children, this is your third answer. The earth also moved around the sun based on its axis. This type of movement is called revolution. Children, see here beta, don't get confused. Third answer is from here. The earth also moves around the sun besides rotating on its axis. This type of movement is called revolution of the earth. Till here, till earth is here. Third answer, first point. Again third answer, second point. This is second answer, don't get confused. You write this point now. Since the earth takes about a year to complete one revolution around the sun, this is called the annual motion of the earth. 2 points you should write. Okay. Next one. Next, fourth question. How do days occur? Page number 94 in your reader. See here. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. See here, children. The rotation of the earth. Beta, your fourth answer is from here, day and night. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. From here to here, beta. Sixth line. The daytime and night time together make one day. Till here. Till day. Understood, beta? Okay. Your first answer, your fourth answer. Your second answer is from here to here. Your third answer, first point. Then third answer, second point. Okay. Next, beta. Fifth one. What are the motions of the earth? See, children. Fifth answer I have written here. Fifth question. What are the motions of the earth? See here. Answer I have written. See. The motion of the earth are rotating around revolution. The spinning of the earth around its axis is called revolution. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. The earth also revolves around the sun. This is called the revolution of the earth. Fifth point, the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one rotation around the sun. This is your fifth answer. Now sixth one. How are day and night caused? How are day and night caused? Children, page number 94. Sixth answer. The path of the earth faces the sun from here to here is your sixth answer. Here to here is your sixth answer. Okay, children? Fourth answer is different. Sixth answer is from here to here. Okay? Next, seventh question. What is your seventh question? What causes seasons? What causes seasons? Page number 95. Pick out page number 95. Here you have that answer in your seasons. Beta, seventh answer is in page number 95. See beta, seasons. The revolution and the tilt of the earth from here to here is your seventh answer. So, we have total 7 question answers we have completed. Fifth one I have written here. First answer is here. Second answer is here. Third answer is here. Fourth answer is from here to here. Fifth answer I have written there. Sixth answer is from here to here. Seventh answer is here. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.